Hello students, welcome to today's science class. Today is 27th May and we are on to lesson number 3, that is nervous system. And in today's class we are going to learn about the parts of nervous system. Okay, like any other organ system, nervous system also comprised of few parts or few organs. Together they form nervous system. Okay, and we are also going to learn about the working of nervous system. Okay, the process we are going to understand. So, but before that, let's have a recap of the things which we understood or learnt in our previous class. I hope student you remember our discussions related to real life things like how we remove our hand if it accidentally touches some hot object, yes, and how we recognize few smell, yes, and even when we are sleeping our body is continuously doing respiration to provide oxygen to our whole body. Heart is continuously pumping blood, so somebody may be monitoring all these organ, whether your circulatory system, your respiratory system, even your digestive system. Yes, you eat food and then you go to bed and you sleep, but your digestive system is doing its work. You are fall asleep, but your digestive system is working to digest that food. So somebody may be working there and giving order to your digestive system or your respiratory system or your circulatory system to perform in a particular way. That is your nervous system. Okay, so we can say that nervous system is the boss of our system. Yes, boss of our body. It is the mastermind. So the three parts of nervous system are brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, these things we have already discussed, that how our nervous system help us to hear, smell, see, yes, dance, talk. And you know student, not only all these things, we can feel and think just because of our brain. Yes, and even remember things just because of our brain only. And can brain alone function? No, it needs some other organ so that it can be connected to whole body. It is present only here, but it can regulate till the tip of our finger to the tip of our toes. So it is monitoring whole body. It is in contact with each and every cell of our body. So for that it needs a proper network. That network is our nervous system. See here, this we have discussed that all these organ system are connected with our nervous system. Parts of nervous system, I just told you, brain, spinal cord and nerve. One by one we will be dealing in detail. So come the brain. Okay, see how does it look? It is looking like a walnut, isn't it? So brain, it is located in our head and it is very soft and delicate organ and very important. I have told you why it is so important. It is regulating whole of our body. So since it is a very delicate, just like a jelly, so it is protected inside a skull. Okay, skull is very hard. Do you know how skull look like? It is skull, very scary, isn't it? And it protects our brain. And you know the size of brain, weight of brain is only 1.5 kg. See, such a small weight that organ is here, and it is controlling whole of our body. How we feel, how we think, how we smell, how we talk, how we walk. Yes, everything, our breathing, our digestion, everything is controlled by here. Okay, and how? So let's move ahead to the second part. Okay, one more interesting thing here. You know, our human body, the right side of brain is controlling the left side of your body, and the left side of brain is controlled by right side of your body. And many of you student, if you are joining abacus or something, there they used to do brain gym exercise. There they tell you to using your left hand, please clap your right thigh, then using your right, clap your left thigh. Like that type of activities they create so that both of your brain become both of the parts of your brain become active. And one more thing I would like to share with you, like one part of your brain is related to logical thinking and other part of your brain is related to artistic thinking. Okay, just for your information I was sharing. Now let's move ahead to the spinal cord. Okay, So what is spinal cord? Spinal cord is just like a tube-like structure. Okay, it is a pipe, but it is not a single hollow pipe. In fact, it is collection of various nerve tissue. They are twisted around. Starts from the end of your brain, and along the way, many other branches come from the spinal cord. Spinal cord, it is also a very important organ of our body, and so it is protected by our backbone. Okay, from picture it will be very much clear to you. Now see the picture of spinal cord. See, this is a brain. You can see here now, student, this is a brain, and here it comes our spinal cord. It is looking like just like a pipe now, but it is actually various nerves twisted together to give a pipe like structure. Okay, now see here, this is a backbone. You can see here now, student, how our backbone is. You can see here, this is spinal cord. It is protected inside the backbone. Okay, now let's move ahead and see how nerves, okay, nerves originate just like branches of trees. Now nerves originate from our spinal cord, and these nerves are in fact in touch with each and every cell of our body, and that is why they perform or they regulate or they control the action taken by our body. Like if something very hot touches here, so nerve endings present here, it immediately gives signal to our brain that it is something is very hot, it is going to damage the skin or something like that. Brain take the action and it reply back, please remove your hand. So like that it is controlling whole of our body. So let's have the definition of nerve. Nerves are like wire. They spread in our entire body just like a spider web. Okay, and they connect different body parts and organ to the spinal cord and to the brain. That means what, student? These nerve fiber, let me show you the picture here. Yes, see how just like a spider web it is present whole of our body, and these nerves in fact connect all the cells or every part of your body to the spinal cord, and in that spinal cord is connected to your brain, and brain, you know, is your mastermind of your body. Okay, so now let's move, see one more picture. Brain, spinal cord, and these blue linings are our nerves. They are present whole of our body just like a spider web. A network is there. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move ahead and see the functioning of our nervous system. So in our book, it's very nice way, taking the example of courier service or postal service, they have tried to explain the process of nervous system. So let's understand it. See here, see the first picture here. Okay, sender, that means it is any organ which give message to the postman. See here, this is a postman. Okay, he is giving message, and this message is, postman takes the message. Okay, this message is a box, and this red scooty, it is a spinal cord. Okay, so sender is any organ, it gives message to your nerves. Nerves, that are your postman, it takes down message to your spinal cord, that is a vehicle there, and message is shown in the form of a box. Try to correlate the things, then it will be very easy. Now third one, this message reaches the brain. Here it is the brain here. Postman gave message to the brain. From here, I'm just telling, here it moves down here to your nerves. From nerves it reaches, the message reaches to the brain, and brain read this message and decide. Okay, brain is the final authority. It is taking decision after reviewing all the things, all the happening. It takes the decision what action has to be taken. See here, message has been told to or informed to the brain. Now brain is deciding what action has to be taken. Now fourth one, postman or the message, brain gives the signal. Okay, now postman comes here, it receives, it returns with the message from the brain. Brain has given signal, again that message is coming down to that organ or some another organ, it can also happen. Postman, that is nerve, returns with the message from the brain. Okay, brain here again gives the signal. After analyzing whole situation, it takes the action and it gives message to the nerve through the spinal cord. Again, from here it will be going to spinal cord, and from spinal cord again message will be coming to the receiver. It can be any organ. It is not like which has sent the signal, only that part has to take action. Another body part may also be there. Now see the fifth picture. The nerve then give message to the receiver. Okay, now just now comprising the whole process in short, I have put my hand near to a very hot object, and as I have told you that nerves are present in our whole body. Okay, so when nerves which are present here, and when my hand touches the very hot object, nerves immediately sense something wrong is going to happen in this body part. It will, within a fraction of second, it is going to move, take this information or signal or whatever you say, take that information to the spinal cord, and from spinal cord that information will reach to our brain. Okay, and here what will happen? The brain will analyze the situation and it will immediately give the message back to here. It will give message back to the spinal through spinal cord. Again the message will come to the nerve, remove your hand. Okay, it may be looking so long process, but these whole things are taken up within a fraction of second. Okay, this is how our brain function. Now here I have taken a very small video from the net only, and to make you understand how this nervous system function. So see here, let me play it. See here, now this is nervous system, burning candle is there. It is taking the signal and immediately brain take the action, and it is sending back that remove your hand. Shall I repeat it one more time? See how fast it is. See, receiving, then sending this message. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Student, now let's summarize what are the things we have learned today. We have learnt about the nervous system. See here, what is the definition of nervous system? Nervous system is an organ system which controls all other body functions, okay, and system. And we have also learned about the parts of nervous system. What are they? They were brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, and how together they function. We have also learned about the process and working of nervous system. Okay, I hope student all the things are very much clear to you, and if you are having any doubt you can contact me. Okay, and in our next class we will move ahead about the sense organs. Okay.